Hi, this is Training for All. Again, welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll continue to show you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word effectively. Now, today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a picture in a document. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment below. Or if you need any information or you need to know anything about Microsoft Word, just contact us and we'll do a special video for you. If you've done that, please don't forget to share the video or don't forget to like. Now, to add an image in a Microsoft Word document is so simple. What you need to do is to position your cursor when where you want to put your image. In my case, I'm going to add my image here in a second page, and you position your cursor there and and normal click once, and then go to insert. So click on insert, and then there's picture. Now there's a small arrow right here. Click on the arrow so you can add an image from photo browser or from the internet, or you can add a picture from file. In our case, we're going to add from file. Now click on picture from file. So when you click, it's going to open a new box, and in my case I'm going to select a picture here, and I'm going to add picture 1. Just click on it and then click insert, or you can just double click it and it's gonna come right into your page. Now I click insert, and see I have my picture. Now if you want to resize your picture, you can see when you click on the picture, that's how you select your picture if you want to make any changes. And you can, once selected, you can place your mouse there, don't click, and then once the mouse is when you see these double arrows, just click, don't release, and slide down to make it small. If you want to make it big, you can do the same. It's good to do from this corner so you don't miss the so you can keep the right size for the length and the width. Now look, that's the image. If you want to add more information, just continue with editing. Now this is how you add a picture. Now there may be a time where you want to add a frame to your picture. What you can do, again, select your picture by clicking into your picture, and you can come up here and you'll see the list of the frames. Now if I want to add this frame, just click here, and you can see now you have a frame. If you want to change it, you can put the bigger one, have a frame. Now this is how you add a frame into on your picture into a Microsoft Word document. Now if you want to make it oval, again you can click here, and you can see you have a oval frame for your picture. Now there is a list of different type of frames you can add to your image. If you can click down as well so you can see more of these. Please choose any frame you want. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. We do give videos every day. We give tutorial on Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, but we also give a tutorial on WordPress and Magento. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.